Hello, my name is Hunter Rostad, and this is my demo for my final project. Here's my website. It's called Reviewing the Kingdom. It's a review/fan site for the Kingdom Hearts video game series. This is my landing page. Here's a form. It allows you to subscribe for offers by email and join the newsletter. Here's my site title. Here is my navigation, my footer with the copyright, social media links, and my contact information. First we'll click on home. Brings you to the home. Over on the side I have some walkthrough sites, in case you're interested and need some help. Here's just a description of what the site is. Here's an image I created in Photoshop of a Keyblade. It's got the footer and the navigation and the title and everything, and this is done in PHP, so these the header and the footer are templates. Here is the series page. I created this heart image as well. Here's my table. It has the different games of the series, and each part in the table has a link. Brings you to the page, which I don't know what happened there. That should not have. Oh, I forgot to change all of these links to PHP links, so I will do that as soon as I get off of here. But imagine that these all take you to a page with some content. Unfortunately, I don't have time to go back and do that right now. Here's a contact form on my contact page to contact me. And this is a drop down I made with JavaScript and jQuery to do login. Bring you to a login page. You enter your stuff and you log in, and it'll bring you back home. And here's the registration page to get your login credentials, and then the logout also just brings you back to the main site. Yeah, that is about it, since I didn't get to go through my content pages. Thank you.